How to stop spam emails after shopping online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by moving into your Gmail. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Choose a specific mail and then click on Manage your Google account. Once you have selected the mail, now head over to Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can see the option of Third-party apps and services. Right beside that, tap on this arrow icon. It will show you all the applications where your email address is associated. If you want to stop getting any spam emails, then all you want to do is move into the app first. After that, tap on Delete all connection you have and then click on Confirm. Once done, you will not receive any spam emails. Similarly, move into any of the applications that you want to stop from getting emails. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.